Welcome to SaSa Trading Company. We bring to your attention a new arrival of merchandise. This delivery contains articles for repair, building and decoration tools. Arrived more than 80 boxes. One box consists cutting tools, pillars and pillar sets, connector tools, hex keys, torx keys, cutting pillars, striking tools, screwdrivers, tool kits, sieves, and special tools. All current offers you can find on our website B2B SaSa Group. For more information, packing lists and prices, please contact us via WhatsApp or email. You can also visit our warehouse in person. Thank you for the watching. Follow our updates and see you later. Bye bye.